Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're talking about the brand new iPhone 17 Pro and iPhone 17 Pro Max. Apple is bringing some exciting changes this year, and in this video I'll walk you through all the key details. Let's start with the design and display. The iPhone 17 Pro comes with a 6.3-inch screen, while the Pro Max has a massive 6.9-inch screen. Both phones feature 120Hz ProMotion display, which makes scrolling, gaming, and videos look super smooth. This time, the titanium frame has been replaced with aluminium frame. Apple has added an anti-reflective glass, so you'll get better visibility even in bright sunlight. Now, let's talk about performance. Both the iPhone 17 Pro and Pro Max run on the brand new A19 Pro chip, paired with 12GB of RAM. This means faster speeds, smoother multitasking, and better performance in heavy apps and games. Apple is also including a vapor chamber cooling system this year. Basically, this helps the phone stay cooler while gaming or doing demanding tasks. On top of that, these phones will come with iOS 26, so you'll get the latest software features and updates. For the cameras, both models come with a triple 48-megapixel rear camera system. That means sharper photos, better low-light performance, and improved zoom. On the front, you get a 24-megapixel selfie camera, which is a big step up compared to older models. So whether you're into photography, video recording, or just love taking selfies, the iPhone 17 Pro series has you covered. Battery life is also getting better this year. Both phones come with bigger batteries, so you can expect longer screen time. And finally, Apple is adding 35-watt fast charging support. This means your phone will charge quicker than before, which is something users have been waiting for. Now, let's talk price. Due to tariff changes, the iPhone 17 Pro will start at $1,049, which is $50 higher than last year. The iPhone 17 Pro Max will start at $1,249. Both models are set to launch on September 9th, and as always, Apple fans are already excited to get their hands on them. So that's everything you need to know about the iPhone 17 Pro and Pro Max. Aluminium frame, smoother displays, more powerful chip, upgraded cameras, and bigger batteries. It's clear that Apple is pushing the Pro lineup further. What do you think about these changes? Are they worth the higher price? Let me know in the comments, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more tech updates.